So this is what I recent question I got from one of my audience from the comments. What do you optimize your Google Ads campaign for? Is it just a coincidence, or is it how most Google Ads manager or agencies work these days? I recently reviewed 8 ads accounts for different service-based business. Most use agencies and pay them hefty amounts monthly. When I go to the accounts, they either have no goals set or their goals are set to lead conversions with some made up values. I asked, how did you come up with these values? And they give me some vague math like last month we spent X and our client said they sold Y. That's how we calculate. To me, it sounds so unprofessional, like they are ripping off their clients. No one, literally no one from these 8 accounts did cross platform analytics reports actual conversion value GCLIDs from client CRM and optimize for ROS. I'm not a Google Ads expert, but I run Google Ads for over 12 years for my own business very successfully. Okay, that's very good to know. Most of these accounts were my friends and friends of friends accounts who were struggling with agencies. When I started confronting agencies and asking direct questions like why do you waste money by doing manual CPs and optimizing for made up goals, they couldn't answer anything other than how do we know what the business actually makes in revenue. This was something that left me shocked. Question for you, Ali. Do you or your agencies also optimize Google Ads for vague goals? How do you know how much actual revenue each campaign, ad group, and systems brings you? Okay, so first of all, you are feeling the pain. The pain is right. What you are having is a genuine feeling. But what matters most with Google system is to understand the conversions are occurring or not. This is the first step. So most of the agencies were fine in that step. So I'm not going to blame the agencies over here because they were fine in first step that they were tracking conversions. Now, tracking conversions amount wise, as your question is genuinely right, and that is the phase two. If you actually fill up the right amount, this can actually help you in even in improving the Google Ads system, and you maybe having a clear picture on what the business actually makes in revenue and how much expenses they are putting around. But most of the businesses are not comfortable in sharing these values with agencies, which actually harm themselves, which is the core reason some businesses struggle to generate the best. Although they may be in profitable position, but they can still improve, and that is one of the reasons why they are not improving. So if the company owners are comfortable in sharing their values, I think that they should definitely share these values. My opinion, definitely share this value with your agencies so agencies can rightly platform optimize your campaigns. And your question regarding cross platform analytics reporting actual conversions. Okay, so for your cross platform analytics conversion concern is concerned, we do cross platform analytics. We do it. We look around for even we do heat map analysis to see where the user is landing on the page, and we also look around for the statistics. Plus, we also work on anti-fraud conversions clicks. So if someone is clicking on our ad repeatedly, we can trigger this issue. So and find out the IP to simply block it based on the behavior if it's consistent. So we do use it, but I'm not sure regarding all of the agencies if they use it or not. So yeah, this is your question regarding your cross platform analytics. And with some businesses, when we are running on more than one ad, running ad on multiple platforms, we do cross platform analytics on that as well. But again, this varies from the client level of comfortness as well. So some clients are not comfortable in sharing all of the platform details, so these could be a reason as well. So you asked the agencies regarding this, but did you ask your friends on this, or they have any clue on this? I'm sure that you may have asked and your friends may not have a clue as well on this. So also I think that the client's own interest in optimizing their ads is somewhat important as well. How much the client is interested in getting most out of their ad campaigns is another important thing, which I have personally experienced. Although I do not want to reveal this secret as a agency owner, but I felt that if the client is more interested in their campaigns optimization, they got better results. In my opinion, this is a harsh truth. So yeah, this can happen, and this can definitely improve sales. Apart from this, I think that sometimes, it's a very very rare though, it happens that maybe the person who is your account manager have no clue on this, right, like setting up conversion value for the conversions. So that can be a thing as well. So I hope this answers your question. And if anyone needs a professional help with Google Ads, we are a full-fledged Google Ads partner company. In case if you need help, we will love to work with you. You can hire me and my team through the link in the description. I hope you like my answer as well. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to working with you. Take care. Bye bye.